Here's a certified 2019 Cadillac Escalade. For a life well lived and every expectation fulfilled. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Ecotec 3 engine, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, advanced adaptive cruise control, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, automatic parking assist, entertainment system with Blu-ray, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, streaming video feed rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. This from Car and Driver, Cadillac's full-size swagger wagon offers brash chrome-tastic styling and leather-lined luxury. Cadillac, a luxury maverick. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.
For value.